You guys, man, I just see him this year, and then today is the last day of the talent hunt. Well, I also got to shake hands with Graph Gil. Same with this guy. I got to shake hands with him and I asked him to rap, and he did. He was actually so nice, man. It's such a great day. We're literally fanboying over all of these cars, and yeah. My dad called me before, and he was like, entry fee to 2006. We got in for free. We got in for free.
Win the VIP slot, bro.
Yeah. This is the collection, lineup of cars. It goes on and on and on and on till the end. And still, these are not the full cars. More cars are coming on the way. And Guru is right up there, bro. He's inside the car. I don't know if you can see him. Another one on the way, bro. Let's film this car. Since Machan loves this car. Look at the interior, bro. That's the steering wheel. This Recaro. Oh no, it's not Recaro. But look at this bucket seats. The interior as well. You got a full roll cage system. You got the gear over there. And they've covered it, but this is the handbrake, bro. Martin just pointed this out, but it's the 1.6, bro. Sign good. Oh, yay, busy. This looks good. Rev it up, bro. Rev it up, please. Down. This is the driver's seat, bro. Look at the helmet. Oh, even the helmet's carbon fiber. Bro, look at the wheels. Look. Tracks, how much look. These are pure off-road. Bro, this is an iconic car. I'm so surprised I got to see this in real life. Look at the disc, it's so big. I mean, the camera does not justice, but this is my hand, and it's bigger than my hand. Nakatagmatiyan na to. Nakatagmatiyan na to. Beautiful. There's a balloon over there. We're gonna go ask them to rev it for us. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my god, bro. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, it's the RS. Look. It has the RS badging on it. Look at the interior. Oh my. So I asked if we could sit in the car, and they gave, but like they say that if they let somebody sit in the car, they'll get disqualified. So later we'll be going to Science College. That is their service point, and we'll go sit in the car. We'll go take pictures over there. And yeah, this guy was actually really nice, the co-driver and the driver as well. And this is the Baleno. This is the first Baleno I'm seeing today. Else it's mostly Polo. Yeah, there's a lot of Polos out there.
How much has gone?
Huh?
We'll put again later.
Later, before the stage starts?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah, we have time.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh my goodness, man. Look, this is how they do it.
I'll rev it for you now.
Oh, okay. Yo. He's going to rev it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Bro. Ayo. Oh my god, bro. I'm literally jumping out of happiness, man. Yo. Oh, look. This is what they draw. Oh my god. Yo, look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, Honda City. This is the VTEC, bro. I saw this the other day. Bro. Yay. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my gosh. Alignment thickness ni. Camera can see it, but the tire alignment's a little different. They stalled the car. I heard them say 1 minute to go. I guess they'll be moving out. The drivers are getting ready. They're wearing their helmets, their gears. Look. bro, they looking cool. Okay, so we made it to Science College. We are here, and you can, yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. My day is going really good today. Hello. Kinsuga.
이렇게
이킥도 구이나. 이도 구이나.
미시스러운데요. 뭐라 했던 사람 가만하래.
Anyway, we're here. You guys, look at the tires, man. And here's the city. Damn. Ay, di ba gari niya na? Oh, yeah, I think the balloon's going. Ano test Chris ni? So this is where they bring the cars. Oh my gosh, look. I don't know which car did this truck bring, but it's so pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think this got a little jam. Shkaboom. This is my car. It's being built.
अंकल अपना बच्चा तो किमान होइस ना सब
क्लास 5 때 저.
क्लास 5 अच्छा तो अपन ला बच्चा जन तो কি চাবলৈ আছে যে বালবৰা চাইছ না নাই
গাড়ী খান মডিফাই কৰিনে থাকা খান চাবলৈ আহিছিলে গাড়ী খান তো আৱাজ তো বেছ আমাৰ এই চাবি না
তলা बच्चा तो एकदम खुसी पाला
বিশ্ব গৈছে ভাই
আয়া
আজি মৰ্নিং তে মই জবৰদস্তি মাতি না আহিছিলে
আৰু তলা बच्चा ला नाम तो কি আছে Wow guys, look at the BMW. Ito inaka hawa karne accident hoy to.
I'm home now, but today was a crazy day. I had so much fun today, and I really wanted to watch the cars on action, but I could not. We just went to the place where the cars were resting. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. Everybody was so nice. I still hope that you guys all did enjoy the vlog today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Peace.